friends, I am making a small ham for our dinner tonight, and I wanted to show you how I make ham. I always use a crock pot for ham because I feel like it helps cook all the flavor into it. I even do that for Thanksgiving in a larger crock pot with a bigger ham. My family always asks me to bring the ham because they think it tastes really good, and I'm going to keep making the ham for my family because apparently mine is really good. So I wanted to show you guys. I get the baby hams when I'm cooking for just my husband and I, and it does go a long ways. So this is just the tiny ham from Aldi. I had to thaw it out. And so when I make ham, I like to use cinnamon. These hams are pre-cooked, so it's just warming it up in the flavor. So I use cinnamon. When I make ham, I do tend to try and choose salt-free seasonings because the thing is, ham already is a little bit salty on its own and has enough sodium as it is without adding more salt. This is a salt-free seasoning that I get locally to me. If you're looking for good seasonings, I encourage you to check out your local farmers markets because I feel like a lot of the local farmers markets have locally made seasonings and they're always so good. So I do not use glaze that comes with the hams. I use sugar-free Great Value syrup. This is 1 point per like a 1/4 cup. Okay, there's not even a 1/4 of a cup in there. So I just add a little bit of syrup to the top, and I think my bottle is about done. Okay, and then I add just a tiny bit of water. Nothing major, just to kind of help keep moisture and things not dry out. Just add a little bit of water. And then I'll do this for I'm going to do this one about 4 hours today. Or 4 or 5 hours, it's just going to warm up. You could probably do it for less since it's pre-cooked, but I'm doing about 5 hours. Trying to decide what kind of size I'm going to make with this. And then we have it for dinner, and then my husband generally will take the leftovers for lunch the next day. So I love y'all. I hope you're having a good day.